Hello! In this video, we present the synthesis of clobazam, according to its retrosynthesis presented in the previous video. The synthesis begins from orthophenylendiamine and gradually constructs the necessary structural subunits to prepare as a key intermediate. The substituted phenylendiamine required to synthesize the heterocycle of diazepine and finally methylate the nitrogen at position 1. Preparation of substituted 1,2-phenylendiamine. The monooxidation of an amino group in orthophenylendiamine, one uses the indicated oxidizing agent, due to its stability and selectivity, to obtain orthonitroaniline 2. The oxidation requires an interaction between the oxidizing agent and a hydrogen attached to a heteroatom in the ortho position to the amino group to be oxidized. Therefore, once compound 2 is formed, the amino group does not continue oxidizing, as the ortho group lacks hydrogens. Next, the introduction of a chlorine in the para position to the amino group is carried out through an electrophilic aromatic chlorination, reacting with the indicated chlorinating reagent to obtain chloroaniline 3 almost quantitatively. The oxidation of the amino group with tetra-N-propylbromate generates dinitrobenzene 4. The regioselective substitution of the nitro group meta to the chlorine by a nucleophile is favored both by the chlorine by deactivating the carbon in the para position due to the resonance effect, as well as by the nitro group that increases the electrophilic character of the neighboring carbon. Thus, the reaction with aniline produces the secondary amine 6. The following are two tactical variants to construct the substituted benzodiazepine, designated as Method 1 and Method 2. In Method 1, the reaction between secondary amine 6 and malonic acid derivative 7 in a basic medium results in AMI 8. The reduction of the nitro group in 8 with molecular hydrogen catalyzed by Raney nickel generates aniline 9, which by basic treatment the amino group is added intramolecularly to the ester group and forms lactam 10. Next, we present Method 2. In this method, the nitro group in 6 is reduced with molecular hydrogen in the presence of platinum to obtain the substituted phenylendiamine 11 almost quantitatively. When reacting diamine 11 with malonyl dichloride 12, substituted benzodiazepine 10 is formed. Preparation of clobazam. Finally, by treating 10 with methyl iodide in the presence of sodium carbonate, the nitrogen at position 1 of the benzodiazepine will be methylated to yield clobazam with a 92.3% yield. In summary, here the raw materials and their structural contribution are shown. Thank you for your attention.